Granny,
Yeah.
you remember when me said to you the other day, me a plait your ear, and me said to you, some of the people them
Yeah.
I go set up GoFundMe, and then nah go give the people them.
It is done.
So said, so done. You know say Buju Banton. You know Buju Banton one singer man, one dreadlocks man. Me I go show you. Me I make you listen to it. Him say him ship some cargo and it come Kingston, Manley International Airport. And when he open the something them, the things they missing.
Oh God.
And Kingston no need no help. And the people then we really need the help it to go to and then thief it up. You think that right?
No, sir.
That not
Them
right.
needed.
That is not nice. But the one you know,
No,
in a them time, you're in
hungry.
that crisis here, you're gonna find some people that's gonna create GoFundMe. Them are gonna thief the people their money. Most of the charity things then when the people them are sent from foreign, it's not gonna reach the people them.
Nah,
Them are gonna thief them. It is disgusting. Them not honest. And it not look good pan Jamaica.
Them have no mercy.
They don't have no mercy.
No.
God, that no nice.
That no right.
What them do no nice, Granny?
No, sir.
What them do no
People
nice?
are suffer, you know.
Them a what?
Suffer. You know,
me fi
people
tell
are
you.
suffer. Them are not
Then too
happy.
little bit and thief and dishonest. I saw when time you come through airport and go through your something, Granny, with them bad mind self like they want it.
And take out.
Then we take out what them fi take out. I see so one time me send barrel come around here, you know, Granny. Home delivery. And when the barrel reach, my mother call me and say, if me could pack the barrel better. So me say, pack the barrel better, mommy. The barrel pack. And me say something never pack, then take it out. Me no do home delivery no more. Me no do that. When you give them access for going in your barrel and carry it come give you, then go in there go take out what they want, me dear. My mother say, you could have pack a barrel better. Me say pack a barrel better. Why? Then two thief granny. And me and my granny up on the veranda reason, you know.
Oh man, that no right.
Cause me soon gone.
Sorry then.
And when me gone, granny not gonna have nobody to talk to me. And you know, gonna have nobody for reason with granny. There's no reason with the little picking them, don't it? The little great grand. Cause my time soon coming up, granny, where I have to leave the island.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna miss you all. But I have to go.
Yeah.
You understand that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And then me go and spend some time and come again. And come for you again. And me and you go and chill. You understand? Me and you just go and chill. You understand? Okay, good girl. I love you, Grandma.
Sorry, sir.
Love you, Grandma.
Love you.
Oh, my
Sorry,
grandma
sir.
says she
Helicopter
love
couldn't carry them.
Helicopter, what do you want plane to come with some things again for Jamaica? Plane no crash?
No, bro.
Yeah, my dear. Plane crash, Granny. I'm going to show you.
The people are not dead.
Alright, we're going to listen to Buju Banton.
They're not dead.
Yeah, listen to Buju Banton.
Right? And when the cargo come out and we start looking at the cargo, Starlink missing, stove missing, all kind of ras bomber, ras clotting, blood clot missing, and the barrel them half empty. See, nothing ever happened to Kingston. There's no reason for nobody at Kingston for your teeth, nothing from the people of Jamaica. You understand me? But the sound still have a dirty, crowded, reprobate blood clot mentality to break my fucking heart. You understand me? I should have come in and come go to some scandal back because that's what the blood clot deserve. You know? You see it? Right? When I look no clout and we know that the people are dire straits. So we have a thief and poor people and thief and people who go through such a hard time. We're not broken at the barrel. Broken at the barrel and so they answer question. Where is the oversight? Where are the security measures?
Yeah, we're security there.
You can't go through the airport and fart. So how somebody leave the airport with so much things, all these things where these packages come tampered with. Right?
It don't look good pan Manley International Airport.
So Banton make 2 flights, them fly Monday, them fly Tuesday. 2 big rascal cargo plane. All if you know say, when I open the package and everything tampered, everything, what I do, what do really I deal with?
Two
We
things.
can't continue, so. We cannot continue like this.
Boy.
It's painful. Because we're up on the battlefield, I'm and even I'm from man, I run up and down and I meet people left, right, and center to secure something for my nation, right? Oh, when I secure, when I just hurt my feelings of blood clot, I don't have no idea. When I talk the common people, I talk the thief, the money with them with a Norman man, the airport, okay? Because when the cargo plane and they say land, right? And the amount of things you're missing the people, it
You
hurt
vex
me
granny,
very
feel
blood
hurt.
clot, you know, come down for a drop of blood,
That's what poor
right?
people now.
For what?
Boy.
Yeah, for true. It no sound good. It no sound good, Jamaica. It no sound good, Jamaica. Uno too dishonest. Me dey talk it. Me say no for una do all the GoFundMe. Una a thief. Me say that. No for uno, not everybody. Una know on yourself. And anybody want comment on my page about this is because una know say una a thief. And if una agree with the thief them, it's because una and them are the same thing. I said what I said. Most of the people them are asked for charity, for help Jamaica. Them are do it for themselves. Them not do it for help Jamaica. Them are do it for themselves. Una two thief. Everything una do, una have to try bring down we country. Una could have just make the something then come and go to the people them. Let the things then come and go to the people them. The people need it. The airport at Kingston now. Who is the security in a Kingston? Una tell me say, una see somebody a go out with something. Because them are part of it to granny.
Yeah, them a get out there.
Them a get out there.
Yeah, I caught them a get out there.
Yeah, and a small people do this, a big people do it in there. It's no small person do it, as some big shot people do it in there, granny. On a too little bit and thief.
I some poor people.
Boy, granny, then two thief.
Them are no mercy, them was on this time.
They worse than they were?
The breeze.
They worse than the storm. But granny say no worse than the storm.
Yeah, man.
No worse than the hurricane Melissa.
Yes,
No destroy full than hurricane the Melissa. The things come for help the needy. You have people that need the things then where Buju Banton help for ship. And I said it before, most of these celebrities, they also get donation and sponsors to help them. So it don't look good. Jamaica, it don't look good.
Okay.
We don't know if do it. It don't look good. No day, no time. Don't look good.
They might trail it out too. They might trail it out.
Something need to be done.
Yeah,
The
man.
security system in the airport need to be investigated. And the camera, them wanna tell me say wanna have camera. Mark, you know, as you enter airport and they feel like if you take you out a line, then take you out a line. Because of that, they always do me granny. That's why I don't like carry things to people.
Yeah.
So I get things for help Jamaica, I do the same thing. Make up on your mind what you want to do. Are you Jamaicans or are you not Jamaicans? Because if you were a part of Jamaica, you will know that the people them of Jamaica need these things. On a too little bit and thief.
And then you out of school.
And then know say the people they need it. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like the video, share the video, leave a comment, and subscribe if you feel like subscribing. Please, no negative comment because I will surely answer oh no. And if you say something when I don't like me, I go black and delete oh no. Because remember, I control my page. Because granny, sometimes some of them pass them place and I feel like they want to come style me, you know. They don't know so they can't style a granny. They can't style me.
Can't manage.
They can't manage me. Tell them.
Can't manage.
Can't manage me. Bye.
I don't know.
Say bye. Me no joke.
Bye.